Okay, let me walk you through the commissions page on DuceCRM. How to set up and track your DuceCRM, every settings step by step. First off, you should set your rules and regulations for your commissions. You have to have your commissions rules. Also, you can adjust them to pick out the types of rules that you want and make any changes you want. Also, you can set your team's earning, your team's commission, their payouts, and also the structure of their commissions. So to get your commissions configured, you are a team member has to actually close a deal. So you go to the deal and close a deal. So over here, you close a deal, you save, a deal has been closed, then you go back to your commissions. A deal has been closed, yes. You go back to your commissions to assign the amounts that the member that closed the commissions can earn. Choose the commission, look at the member over here, pick out the payout and the structure, configure the rates over here, how many percentage that they can get for each deal that they close. Then you set the structure. Then every deal that the member closed will get a 3% commissions on all of them. That is all how to set up your commissions.